Netflix, ultimately, I think this is a case where the company, to me, has had a heroic run, up almost 100%. As you know, as I've said and as I've been wrong, I think the valuation is not supported here. I don't think they have the kind of moat around their business that people believe that they do. I think competition is coming from all the usual players. But again, I can't put Netflix down. I just say that after this kind of move, this has been parabolic. No, I'm fading it.
So this is one that I would fade it. I'm sorry, I would trade it at this point. I'm so confused at this game myself. Whew. So this has been a range-bound trade, and for me, I look at it as I overlap DRAM prices with Micron. And if you watch it, they trade in tandem with each other. So we're at the lower end of the trading range. DRAM has flattened out. You saw Micron come in to meet DRAM. I do think it's a sideways trade, but I think it's at the lower end of the trade range, so I would trade it. I would buy it for a pop.
Nike. So in full disclosure, I got this wrong as far as saying I wouldn't be a buyer at lower levels, several months ago. But look, up here at $81, I would be a seller. Fade it. Fade the stock up here. In my opinion, a lot of the good news is priced in. There's no real catalyst for another 3 to 4 months. And basically, I think China, the trade issues are an overhang here. 30% of the revenues do come from China. There is exposure there, and this will be a name that they do sell off if there's any sort of retaliation.
So this is one that hasn't had a parabolic move. It's up 16% in the year. It's up about 40% from its 52-week lows. And on a PE to growth level, it's actually pretty reasonable. So this is one where I'm going to say trade it. But if you look at that breakout level from late April, it was about 127. I think there's a lot of stocks where there's a lot of positive sentiment, where there's some valuation support, there's growth support, there's secular trend support that you're going to get to come back your way a little bit at those prior breakout levels. So this is not one I'm saying buy it right here, but I think, between 127 and here is where you want to get back into this position.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.